Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. This video will guide you on how to transfer account ownership to another user. Transferring account ownership in BoldSign refers to the process of changing the primary administrative control of an account from one user to another. This action is undertaken when there is a need to reassign administrative responsibilities. In BoldSign, the Transfer Account Ownership feature enables the account owner to transfer ownership exclusively to another account administrator. However, this transfer option is not accessible to team admins or team members. Upon completion of the transfer process, the newly designated account owner will possess full authority and control over the account's features and capabilities. Imagine a scenario where a manager in a company is transitioning to another company. He has been overseeing teams for an extended period. Due to this change, the manager must delete his account, but he cannot do so directly. This is because the team's documents and members need to be maintained. Therefore, before deleting the account, the manager transfers ownership to another individual. To initiate the transfer, I log into the BoldSign account and navigate to the Users and Teams section. I click on the Users option, which directs me to the Users page, displaying a list of all the users associated with the account. Next, I hover over the desired user who will become the next account owner, and click on the context menu. Since this user is already an account administrator, the transfer ownership option will be accessible. However, this option will not be available for other members and team admins. After selecting the transfer ownership option, an account transfer confirmation pop-up appears. I proceed by clicking the transferring the account ownership. With the ownership now completely transferred, the relieving manager can safely delete his account without risking any loss of the team's data. To do so, I click the Settings option and choose Business Profile. Navigating the Profile Details page, I scroll down to the Delete Account section. Finally, I click the Delete Account button to complete the process. After selecting Yes, Delete on the confirmation dialog box, the account deletion process will commence and be processed within 7 days. Throughout this time, a message indicating the account deletion date will be prominently displayed at the top of the page. If there's a change of circumstance and you wish to cancel the request, click Cancel Deletion at the top of the page. Otherwise, when the 7-day period elapses, your account will be deleted and you will receive a notification via email. Now, let's log into the new account owner's account. Next to his name, there will be an account administrator's icon. All the documents that were transferred can also be located within this account. He now possesses full authority and control over the account's features and capabilities. This concludes the process of transferring account ownership to another user. If you found this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.